This is our second Christmas vlog and I'm gonna decorating my Christmas tree. I'm going to spray paint my Christmas tree as I want to look like brighter but still keeps its original color green. Another DIY ornaments I added are these gold-plated jewelry materials. I just shaped them randomly and that's it. With its gold color, it's just add little glam. A home decor that you already have, and then when it's Christmas time, you can use them again as Christmas tree ornaments. And plus, it saves you space for your storage. You don't have to keep them again, but reuse them as home decoration. closer to the center of the Christmas tree. To keep depth, I use small ones. Thank you so much for watching my Christmas tree vlog decoration, and for now I leave it like that, but probably will be adding more stuff. So bye, thank you.